Waiting is Not Easy by Willems. Gerald, I have a surprise for you. Yeah, what is it? The surprise is a surprise. Oh, is it big? Yes. Is it pretty? Yes. Can we share it? Yes. I cannot wait. You will have to. Wait? What? Why? The surprise is not here yet. So I will have to wait for it? Yes. Drawn. Oh, well, if I have to wait, I will wait. I am waiting. Waiting is not easy. Piggie, I want to see your surprise now. I am sorry, Gerald, but we must wait. Drawn. I am done waiting. I don't think your surprise is worth all this waiting. I will not wait anymore. Okay, I will wait some more. It will be worth it. Ground. Piggie. We have waited too long. It is getting dark. It is getting darker. Soon we will not be able to see each other. Soon we will not be able to see anything. We have wasted the whole day. Well, we have waited and waited and waited and waited. And for what? For that. This was worth the wait. I know. Tomorrow morning, I want to show you the sunrise. I cannot wait. Wow. The